Current is a digital banking app that combines checking features with tools designed to help users manage spending, which makes the main question whether switching from a traditional bank is actually worth it. By the end, you'll know what Current offers, what makes it different from traditional banks, and what to check before moving your money. Current is built around mobile banking, meaning users manage their account through an app instead of visiting physical branches. This can appeal to people who prefer handling deposits, payments, and account activity from their phone. The biggest reason people consider switching to Current is convenience. A digital bank can make everyday money management faster because many tasks happen directly inside the app. Before switching banks, look at the features you use most often. If you regularly visit a branch, need specific banking services, or prefer in-person support, a mobile-first account may not replace everything you need. Current is designed for people who want a simpler way to manage their money. Features like spending tracking, account controls, and mobile access can make it easier to see what is happening with your finances. The important comparison is not just between Current and another bank's app. It is between the full banking experience you need and what Current provides. Check details like fees, account requirements, customer support options, and how deposits and withdrawals work before making a switch. Small differences can matter when the account becomes your main place for managing money. Another thing to consider is how you handle financial tools. A new banking app can provide helpful features, but it will not automatically improve your finances unless you use those tools regularly. Switching banks also takes planning. Before closing an old account, move direct deposits, update automatic payments, and make sure important transactions are connected to the new account. So, is Current worth switching banks for? It depends on what you want from a bank. If you prefer mobile banking and want a digital-first experience, Current may fit your needs. If you rely on traditional banking features, compare carefully before moving everything over. The practical next step is to list the 3 banking features you use most, compare them with Current's options, and decide if the change actually solves a problem. If this helped you understand Current better, subscribe for more clear reviews of popular banking apps and financial tools.